And the Excel part was really helpful. I knew how to tabulate the data, but I it was helpful to know the shortcuts and make things easier.
You have completed the training. You have completed the upscaling program,
Yes, sir.
right?
Completed that.
Okay, okay. So, and what is your highest pass qualification?
Sir, I've completed my BBA graduation this year in September.
Okay. And what are you looking for?
So I'm looking to start my career in a company where I can give my HR experiences and learn a lot.
Okay. And where are you located?
I'm right now in Coimbatore and I'm looking to relocate to Chennai.
Okay. Understand. Understand. So, how was this, program you have appeared for? You know, you can share your
I learned a
experience.
lot of Definitely, sir. I learned a lot of new things and like new terms which are used in the field of HR. So if I'm wanting to work, it was a basic knowledge and information for me, extra to whatever I've learned in the college and internship experience. And the Excel part was really helpful. I knew how to tabulate the data, but it was helpful to know the shortcuts and make things easier.
Hmm.
Yes.
Understand. So, what was the best part in that training?
So I learned about Excel and I learned a lot of new terms which will be used in day-to-day life and HR activities.
Understand. Understand. Where would you rate this training on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 9 on 10, sir.
9 on 10.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Great.